That is absolutely incredible. And I know, Jeff, that those hurricane hunters aren't done yet, right? Because Ian just keeps on going.
It's going to strike the United States again as a hurricane. It's going to be in 24 hours. It's going to run into Charleston. Right now, it has left Florida. We were talking about that top of the show. There's the circulation. You can see it just off the Space Coast. Heavy rain is still going into Daytona Beach. It's been a very tough overnight and night in parts of Daytona Beach up to the Palm Coast. They've already gotten in some areas over 5 to 6, even 7 inches of rain. They're going to continue to get maybe 3 to 5 more inches of rain. But this happens tomorrow. It runs right into Charleston as a Category 1 hurricane. So there will be damage at the shore, and then there will be flooding on the Piedmont. How it affects us, believe it or not, it does, is that circulation is so big with Ian. It's a big hurricane. It will become another big hurricane before it moves onshore in South Carolina. That flow around it, that wraparound flow, brings us a couple of cooler days around here. So it's a little more like fall today. I mean, the average high is 85. We're going to land right on it, by the way, with an afternoon high of 85. But more like fall indeed going into the weekend. Tomorrow's forecast of 83. That's the first below normal high we've had in 2 weeks. You can see the weekend looks great, by the way. Cool mornings and warm afternoons and nothing but sunshine. In fact, Saturday morning, I think we get down to 56. That'd be the coolest morning we've had since late May. The first weekend of the State Fair, really, they couldn't have dialed up better weather. We have temperatures in the mid-80s, a little warm, slightly warm afternoon, but just lovely mornings and lovely evenings. And again, nothing but dry weather. Next 10 days, we're just hovering along with daytime highs in the upper 80s for days on end. But let's talk about something real quick. No significant rain chances in the 10-day period, okay? This is how it's happened so far rain-wise in September. We had 2 days of rain the first 2 days, then a trace. That's been it. We're at 1/3 of an inch of rain for the month, and we're going to end dry. The latest drought information came out this morning. Severe drought still from Erath County over to Hill County and to the south. And you can see there's a lot of areas still in moderate drought around North Texas. Any relief in sight? Not really. Precipitation outlook for next week, dry. Precipitation outlook all the way into the middle of October is looking really dry as well. So we take a look at the 7-day forecast. We don't see any rain chances. Now, welcome to October here on Saturday, but you see these daytime highs just hovering again in the 80s, but these overnight lows in the 50s, Karen, I dare say it, jacket weather.
It's perfect. It's Goldilocks weather. All right. Thank you so much, Jeff.